Padlocks can be tricky to hold, so always get a good grip with the thumb, middle, ring, and pinky fingers. This will free up your index finger to apply pressure on the tension tool. If you need to switch direction, simply use the thumb to apply pressure. You can also flip the tension tool and put it in the top of the plug as shown earlier. Master padlocks are bidirectional, therefore they will pick in either direction. Also be aware the plug is under spring pressure and will present slightly more resistance than a deadbolt or key and knob lock once the plug is picked.